Not sure how to use your Midea AC Remote? Model number R06 BGE. In this video, we'll explain what each button does. Welcome to Flicky Facts. The on-off button powers your Midea AC. Press it once to turn on the AC using the last saved mode and temperature. Press it again to turn it off, stopping all functions immediately. Press the mode button to cycle through different modes depending on your need. Cool mode, dry mode, fan mode, heat mode, auto mode. Cool mode cools the room to your desired temperature. Perfect for hot days when you need quick relief. Dry mode reduces humidity without overcooling. Great during monsoon or sticky weather. Fan mode blows air without cooling. Ideal for ventilation or mild days. Heat mode. It warms up the room by blowing hot air, perfect for chilly winter days. Auto mode. The AC automatically selects the best mode, cooling, fan, or heating based on room temperature. Need more breeze? Tap the fan button to control how strong the airflow feels. Choose from low, medium, high, or auto, and enjoy the perfect breeze your way. Want cool air in every corner? Hit the swing button. It moves the air vents up and down, spreading airflow evenly across the room for all-around comfort. Timer mode lets you schedule your AC to turn off automatically. Just set the hours, and your AC will cool or shut off exactly when you want. The direction button adjusts the airflow direction, allowing you to control whether the air moves upward, downward, or swings automatically for even cooling. When you press the cancel button, it clears or stops any preset functions, such as the timer or good sleep mode. This returns the AC to normal operation without the scheduled settings. The up and down buttons let you control how cool or warm your room feels. Press up arrow to raise the temperature, or down arrow to lower it, 1 degree at a time. Press the clock button to set the current time on your Midea AC Remote. Setting the correct time ensures your scheduled operations run precisely when needed. Press the turbo button to activate rapid cooling or heating at maximum fan speed. This feature quickly brings the room to your desired temperature in less time. Sleep mode is designed for a restful night. When activated, it slowly adjusts the temperature to keep you comfortable while saving energy. No chills, no wake-ups, just smarter cooling while you sleep. Press the LED button to turn the display light on the indoor unit on or off. It's useful at night when you want to reduce brightness without affecting AC performance. If your Midea AC Remote isn't working properly, the reset button can restore it to factory settings. Just press the reset pinhole, usually with a pin or paperclip, and the remote will reboot, clearing any errors or glitches. Press the lock button gently using a pin or paperclip to activate the control lock feature. This prevents accidental button presses, and pressing it again with the pin or paperclip will unlock the remote. Press and hold the temperature down arrow button and the mode button together for about 3 to 5 seconds. The temperature display will switch between degrees Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit. Now you know what every button on your Midea AC Remote does. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.